what we're going over. Ready? Touch. Okay, go eat.
Require effort, and it will involve suffering.
Hey, what's up? Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Starting my week off at my first job of the week. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jasmine. I am currently in the process of transitioning into a new NP job, hence why I'm working 3 jobs currently. I will be narrowing it down to 2, possibly 1 in the future. With that, we've had such a busy weekend. We did so much to renovate the house. I will show you later on, but right now I am currently working from home. Let me get my coffee. I'm gonna finish up some charting for my previous patient, show you the details of the house that we changed. I don't wanna say host, but like just to have people over. I'm trying to now do more like laid back hangouts where it doesn't require so much like decorating and prepping, because I think that having those kinds of hangouts is so difficult, especially like with this day and age, like right now where I'm working 3 jobs. So I am just trying to make hangouts a lot less like stressful. I am going to finish this chart and then we'll first start with the bathroom that I showed you guys in the last vlog. Oh, and then later on, I'm excited because I feel like I'm getting a lot more training with this new company, the assessments for ADHD. So excited to do that. Let's go out of my office and we'll first start with the room here. I think that we had started with this room. For one, they had this, they called shutters that were literally coming off. So I had replaced them with these. Let me just turn these on. So I'd replace them with just the curtains and it looks much nicer. And then over here, I'm gonna make this the guest bathroom now because I don't want anyone using my own bathroom anymore. So I put this here so that people can like place like their belongings here before they go to the bathroom. And then I cleaned it up. It's not like that crazy different, but for some reason there was no toilet paper holder, so I put that there. I bought these from Costco the other day. Candle. I think we're still just waiting on one more package to show up, which is like a wooden thing that goes underneath the soap just to add color. And then you guys saw this in the last vlog where it says, "You look good." I just thought it was cute. I don't know. And I had gotten this rug from Facebook Marketplace and I just needed a big area rug so that, for one, it gets really, really cold in this area. If you guys were watching our vlogs before, our foster puppy was staying here and it was just way too cold. And then here, you had seen these 2 chairs before at our old apartment and then also in our kitchen, but we moved these up here. I don't know, just so people can sit. And then we moved our bar stuff here. So this is more of like a bar nook area. So we don't really use our bar stuff. It's more so decoration. And then here's just a TV. Initially, we were gonna bring our couch up here, but our couch we've decided that we're not gonna get a new couch. We're just gonna get an ottoman to add to our couch because I don't really know why we would need a couch up there. It's kind of excessive. I'd rather have less clutter and we'll just add an ottoman. This is our guest room. If you've noticed, this is our old bed frame and headboard. I kind of like this headboard more than the one that we have downstairs, so I might swap them. I don't know yet. Our guest room. these are mismatched because I took one of these to put in our little gallery. But it will be much more comfortable. And then let's trek downstairs. So yeah, we're waiting still for the ottoman. Oh, I think I got my package. My package from Amazon. Our current headboard. If I don't like this headboard, I'm likely going to just swap the one upstairs. But I'm going to show you the new headboard we bought. It's from Soft Frame Design. We got a new mattress as well. So we now have a king mattress down there, which has really been comfortable for us. So this is our bedroom. Excuse you. But this frame, as you can see, it keeps popping out. So rather than, it's either I'm gonna use this to hopefully get this to stay, or I'm gonna have to swap the frames. There are two, but I'm just gonna put it on the top one. Do one more of this. Okay, I think it's a little bit more flush. If you look at the back of it, I don't even think anyone sees this, but like it looks more flush to me against the wall. Also, we need a new comforter. This one is way too short. Like if I pull it over a little bit, at least on Alex's side, you won't see. I'd also bought another set of the king pillows, but I kind of like having a small one and a big one. So I think I'm just gonna keep that and then return the other one. And then you guys have already seen, look at her butt. I think she's waiting for me to leave so she can go back into our bed. But this is probably what sparked most of the renovation. Is we had made this place as a little nook. And you guys have seen this before. I'm also reading this book, Twisted Love, for my book club. I don't think I have to sign for the ottoman. Like I was saying about our couch, so we currently have the Living Spaces Utopia. Just the seat itself, it's not like a chase or anything. The ottoman for it. We had bought ours for, I think it was like 40 or 50% off because we had bought it as is staging area. So I think it was like 700 bucks. And then it went out of stock, just like the Utopia series in general. So we couldn't find the ottoman because they were like, oh, you know, like we'll just start upgrading as we need it. But then they discontinued the series. So we had a really hard time finding the ottoman. Hopefully this is the correct color. I don't know. But the ottoman ended up being like, I think 40% off also. Initially it was like a $600 ottoman, but now it's like $390. So it was a lot off, but I hope it's the right color. If you hear a noise, it's my Roborock. But I'm just gonna quickly eat lunch. I have some chia seed pudding and a salad. Woohoo! That's my ottoman. Okay, well, let's see how am I gonna heavy. It's really brown. I was like, geez, this is a really brown beige, but then I realized that that's not actually the ottoman. It's just a piece of plastic. Perfect! Woohoo! We took a chance and it's the right color. It's not heavy at all. That's the good thing about this series. Nice. I think it just looks darker because we always wash our things, but I'm pretty sure it's like a perfect match.
Just slightly atypical. -1 to 1.0 is our normal performance that we're looking for or to get our patients to with treatment. And then anything in the negative, they're actually performing better than the control group. They're doing a really good job. Just gonna go over what we're going over.
I am wearing a very similar shirt to that of yesterday, but In the afternoon now, I wanted to open my Amazon package. I could not find the ones that I had bought, so I had to buy these because the ottoman keeps slipping on the really slippery carpet we have. And then I'm gonna check out these straws if I like them. Because when I drink coffee, I usually will drink it out of the mason jar. Perfect. So like this. Because I keep using these plastic ones. But this would be a much better size. Put these on and hopefully these will help with the couch moving all over the place. Washable rug, so it's water resistant, which makes it really slippery. Let's try that. Okay. Much less. Okay, you guys, I have been project panning my house. I opened this up so that we can now use this towel warmer properly, because if it's not close to the shower, I definitely won't use it. But this is Alex's little cubby. I'm actually gonna probably put his perfumes here so that he wears them, because they're over here. And I know it still looks like a lot of stuff, but I tried to label it like sunscreens, lotions, and then I'm gonna bring his perfumes forward. But yeah, so my goal, I thought that I had no lotion, but I have so many lotions. I was about to buy one yesterday, but look at how many lotions we have all the way back here. Some cleanser, scrubs, and then I've now allocated this as Alex's area because it used to be here, but I think our counters are just getting too cluttered. So I moved his stuff here. Leave your what ifs and if only in the hands of the one who loves you. Tripod's not working, so I have to use this. But happy Wednesday, everyone. I am again working from home. I am glad that now it's more frequent that I am working from home. So like you saw in our last vlog, Wednesdays are typically our designated date night. So this date night, we wanted to do pictures with Olive because in our gallery wall have generally some photos. Actually, all of them are professionally done. We don't have any like really nice ones, Olive. So we have one from our wedding. Let me see if I have it here. Oh, you can't even see it, but hold on. And I thought about printing that one, but we have so many wedding photos up. So I think rather what we'll do is we'll probably go to Pose Palace, and then there's also, I think, Photogram from The Source. And essentially what they are, if you've seen my photos or my profile picture, it's just like a white room that you rent out. It's actually much cheaper at this place called Pose Palace. I think $50 versus the one that I had went to, which is where my profile pictures are from, is $80. So it's much more expensive. It's a lot closer. So I don't know if we might end up going to that one. And then they also have appointments versus like the other one does not. So we'll see. It's really up to Alex because I know I think it's a busy day for him. He has like some sort of, he's meeting with some sales rep. So I don't know how long it'll take for him to get out. So it's really dependent on that. Nonetheless, I'm probably just gonna figure it out. But yeah, I do want to change that in our gallery wall downstairs. I'll show you what we have currently. It's just like this really non-professional photo of her on her first birthday, which is really cute too. I think we should get other ones. Oh, and then additionally, if you ever see my photo as a provider, so that is from a cruise photo that we had taken on a white wall, and it's just cropped so that you don't see like the rest of my outfit. I want to take just a really quick headshot because right now my headshot is a cruise photo from I think 2021 and it's 2026. So I need to get that photo updated, but I don't think that it'll be that much of a difference. I don't know. We will see. Looks cute now. I think Alex put this little thing so that you can't see what's at the bottom. Okay, I'm eating lunch now, but we've been trying to project pan our fridge and our freezer specifically. If you don't know what project pan is, it's when you take inventory of things that you already have and use them before you buy a new one. So things like lotion, chapstick, but in our case it's food. Alright, Alan, I gotta fold the laundry. Our bed is like so much shorter now than it was before, so I feel like I'm like crouching down so much. I'm gonna get our outfits ready for later. I think I'm gonna wear this like beige looking one. I need to like probably fix Alex's pants because they look super wrinkly. And then this is the only beige we have for her, but it says Happy Thanksgiving on the back, so we'll just take a forward one of this and then probably switch her into like this Valentine's Day one. What are you doing? Eating the grass? Get it! Go! I bought this mattress topper. I need to cover the mattress to protect it. Because that mattress is like $1,300, so there's no way I'm gonna have a chance at getting all messed up.